Planned Parenthood Federation of Nigeria, a non-governmental organization, has distributed personal protective equipment kits worth 12 million naira to 85 primary healthcare centers. Dr. Okayaku, Executive Director of PPFN, disclosed this during the distribution exercise in Abuja. Aku said the distribution was part of its Accelerating Equitable Access, Acceptance and Uptake of COVID-19 Vaccine Access project funded by Pathfinder and MacArthur Foundation. According to him, 35 facilities in Kano will benefit from it, while 25 each from FCT and Kaduna will also be supported.
We decided to invite the people that will touch the health of the people in the community first, and that is the primary health care. And that's why they are here. And we are giving them these items to protect themselves against the COVID-19, at the same time protecting other people in their own locality. As a matter of fact, this project is implemented in 3 states, FCT, Kaduna, and Kano.
Speaking on behalf of the PHCs, Dr. Sunday Goji, Buhari Area Council Center, commended the organizations for their support, which he said will aid in preventing infectious diseases.
So these items will go a long way in helping to serve as infection prevention and control measures, because we don't want the health workers in the course of attending to people with suspected cases of COVID-19 to also get infected. And not only the health workers, the cleaners, the drivers, and everybody that work within the health system. So that is why this has come in a good way, and this will also serve as a way of strengthening the health system, because we are not only preventing COVID-19, we are also preventing other diseases that are infectious, like cholera, like Lassa fever, like monkeypox, and some other infectious diseases. So